In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a Word document to Google Docs. First, you'll need to start by opening your browser and navigating to Google Drive. Simply type drive.google.com into the address bar and hit enter. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your Google Drive dashboard where you can see all your existing files and folders. Now that you've accessed Google Drive, it's time to upload your Word document. Right-click anywhere within the blank space of your Google Drive screen to reveal a context menu. From this menu, look for the option labeled File Upload and click on it. Doing so will open a File Explorer window on your computer where you'll need to navigate to the location of the Word document you wish to upload. Select your document and then click Open. Your document will begin uploading to Google Drive. You should see a progress bar on the bottom right corner of your screen indicating that the upload is in progress. Once the upload is complete, locate your newly uploaded Word document in your drive. You can easily spot it as it will likely be the most recent file at the top of your list and may even have a subtle new tag next to it. To proceed, right-click on the document. Another menu will appear which allows you to choose various options based on what you'd like to do with the file. Here, we want to open the file in Google Docs, so hover your mouse over the Open With option in the context menu to reveal a sub-menu, then select Google Docs. After clicking on Google Docs, the file will begin to open in a new Google Docs tab. This process may take a few seconds depending on the size of your Word document. Once it's fully loaded, you'll be able to view and edit your document just like any other Google Doc. It's important to note that while Google Docs does a great job of converting Word documents, some formatting elements might not carry over perfectly, particularly more complex layouts or specific fonts, but for the most part, it should look similar to your original Word document. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded and converted a Word document to Google Docs, enabling seamless editing and sharing capabilities. It's a straightforward process that opens up a world of collaboration and ease for anyone working with digital documents. Don't forget that your document is now safely stored in the cloud, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Thanks for watching, and happy documenting!